In this video, we are going to reveal the vegetables that can either keep you looking and feeling younger or quietly speed up the aging process. By the end, you will know exactly which ones rebuild collagen in your skin, joints, and bones, and which ones secretly destroy it. Welcome to another episode of Senior Zone Nutrition Lab. Every single day, collagen, the invisible glue that holds your skin, joints, and bones together, is slipping away. By 50, your body is already producing nearly 30% less every decade. By 70, most seniors are running at less than half of what they once had. The result? Sagging skin, brittle bones, stiff joints, slower healing. But here's the shocking twist. The vegetables on your plate can either rebuild collagen like a miracle or secretly destroy it. So here's what we're going to do. Today, I'll count down the 6 best vegetables for collagen health, starting at number 6 and saving the most powerful for number 1. Then, I'll reveal the 4 worst vegetables that can quietly sabotage your collagen, also counted down to the single most dangerous. And before we begin, I just want to say how grateful we are. Senior Zone has now grown to over 100,000 subscribers, and it's thanks to viewers like you. We're proud of this community, and we're excited you're part of it. Now, let me ask you, what vegetable do you eat the most? You might be shocked to discover it's either protecting your collagen or tearing it apart. And while you're commenting, drop your city too. Our community is growing worldwide, and it's inspiring to see where everyone is tuning in from. Without further ado, let's get started.
Number 6, carrots. Carrots are famous for eyesight, but when it comes to collagen, they're natural skin armor. Their bright orange color comes from beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. That vitamin helps your skin renew itself, keeping the outer layer strong so it can shield the collagen beneath. Beta-carotene also blocks oxidative stress, the rust that eats away at collagen fibers. Seniors with higher beta-carotene levels show significantly fewer wrinkles and less sagging. Add in the vitamin C carrots provide, and you get a 1-2 punch. Protection plus production. For maximum benefit, eat them lightly cooked or roasted to release more beta-carotene, and pair them with healthy fats like olive oil or hummus for better absorption. Number 5, beets. Beets may not be everyone's favorite, but they're a hidden gem for collagen. They provide copper, which is essential for collagen cross-linking, the process that binds fibers together into strong, stable networks. Without copper, collagen stays weak, like ropes that fray apart. Beets are also rich in betalains, deep red pigments that fight oxidative stress and inflammation, 2 major threats to collagen. On top of that, they boost circulation, helping deliver nutrients to your skin and joints so collagen can repair itself more effectively. Roasted, shredded raw in salads, or even in powdered form, beets give collagen the glue it needs to stay strong. Number 4, tomatoes. Tomatoes are one of the best protectors of collagen. Their secret weapon is lycopene, the pigment that makes them red. Lycopene acts like internal sunscreen, shielding collagen from UV damage. In one study, people who ate tomato paste daily had a third less collagen loss from sun exposure. Cooking tomatoes actually increases lycopene's power. Tomato sauce, soups, and pastes can deliver several times more usable lycopene than raw tomatoes, especially when paired with olive oil. For seniors, tomatoes don't just support youthful skin. Higher lycopene levels are also linked to healthier joints and less cartilage breakdown. Number 3, red and yellow peppers. When it comes to vitamin C, red and yellow peppers are champions. Just 1 pepper delivers nearly twice your daily requirement, and vitamin C is the backbone of collagen production. They also contain capsanthin, a pigment linked to fewer visible signs of aging, plus vitamin A precursors that protect the outer layer of skin. The best way to get their benefits? Eat them raw. Heat destroys much of their vitamin C, So salads and fresh snacks are the way to go. Paired with healthy fats like avocado, peppers become one of the simplest, most effective collagen boosters you can eat. Number 2. Kale. Kale's reputation as a superfood is well earned. 1 cup provides more vitamin C than your entire daily requirement, and every stage of collagen synthesis depends on it. It's also packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, nutrients that act like sunglasses for your skin, shielding it from UV rays and pollution that shred collagen. In studies, people with higher levels of these nutrients had fewer wrinkles and stronger skin elasticity. The best prep is lightly steaming or sautéing for about 5 minutes. That preserves vitamin C while unlocking more antioxidants. For an easier option, blend it with pineapple or apple to boost taste and absorption. Number 1. Spinach and dark leafy greens. The number 1 collagen-boosting vegetable is spinach. Simple, affordable, and a true powerhouse. Spinach delivers vitamin C, chlorophyll, and magnesium, 3 of the most important nutrients for collagen health. Chlorophyll has been shown to boost procollagen in the skin, magnesium stabilizes collagen-protecting enzymes, and vitamin C provides the building blocks. Raw spinach in salads or smoothies works best, especially when combined with citrus. Pairing it with lemon or orange nearly doubles its collagen-building power. Seniors who eat leafy greens several times a week consistently show better skin hydration and joint mobility. Spinach proves that the simplest foods can be nature's most effective anti-aging medicine. Now, if the story ended here, you'd be all set. Just load your plate with these 6 vegetables, and you be building collagen like never before. But here's the part almost nobody talks about. While these foods are protecting and repairing your collagen, other vegetables are quietly undoing everything. That's right. The wrong vegetables can accelerate wrinkles, stiffen joints, and break down your collagen fibers faster than time itself. And most seniors eat these every single week without realizing the damage. So now let's flip the list. From number 4 down to number 1. Here are the vegetables that could be secretly destroying your collagen. Number 4. Overcooked vegetables. The problem isn't the vegetable, it's what we do to it. Overcooking strips away the very nutrients collagen depends on. 10 minutes of boiling can cut vitamin C in broccoli by half. Without vitamin C, collagen can't form properly. Antioxidants also vanish with too much heat, leaving your skin and joints unprotected. The solution? Cook lightly. Steam or sauté until just tender. Microwaving for short bursts also preserves nutrients. Number 3. Canned or pickled vegetables high in sodium. Canned and pickled vegetables may be convenient, but they often come loaded with sodium. Too much salt dehydrates your skin, leaving collagen fibers brittle like a sponge wrung dry. High sodium diets are linked to drier skin, less elasticity, and slower healing. On top of that, brined vegetables lose vitamin C before they even hit your plate. If canned is your only option, choose low sodium and rinse before use. But fresh or frozen is far better for collagen. Number 2. High glycemic starchy vegetables, potatoes, corn. Potatoes and corn may seem harmless, but they can quietly damage collagen. These starchy foods spike blood sugar, which creates advanced glycation end products, compounds that stiffen collagen fibers the way sugar hardens into caramel. Once collagen is glycated, it loses elasticity and becomes brittle. This doesn't mean you can never eat them, just avoid piling them on your plate by themselves. Pair with protein or fiber to soften the impact. Number 1. Nightshades, peppers, eggplants, potatoes. And now, the number 1 group that may damage collagen, nightshades. For many people, they're fine. But for seniors with arthritis or autoimmune issues, compounds like solanine can trigger inflammation, and inflammation is collagen's greatest enemy. It activates enzymes that literally shred collagen fibers. In studies, arthritis patients who cut out nightshades reported less joint pain and better mobility. For someone already stiff and sore, that's a huge difference. Not everyone needs to avoid them. But if you notice more pain or flare-ups after eating nightshades, try going without them. You may be shocked at the improvement. So, here's the bottom line. The 6 best vegetables, spinach, kale, peppers, tomatoes, carrots, and beets, are your natural armor. They supply the vitamins, antioxidants, and minerals that rebuild collagen and keep your skin firm, your joints flexible, and your bones strong. But the 4 worst overcooked vegetables, canned sodium bombs, high glycemic starches, and for some, inflammatory nightshades, can quietly sabotage your collagen, making wrinkles deeper, joints stiffer, and aging faster than it should be. Every meal is a choice. Build collagen or break it down. Imagine your skin looking firmer, your joints moving easier, and your body bouncing back faster just by adjusting what goes on your plate. So start today. Add at least 1 collagen-rich vegetable to your meals and cut back on the ones that silently destroy it. If you watched this far, we are proud of you for truly caring about your health. And remember that you have the power to make your plate your best anti-aging weapon. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these vegetables surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments, hit like if you found this helpful, and share this video with someone who wants to age stronger, not faster.